Okay, well, to be a little more specific now, we want the region above the intersection point. Be good to make sure we understand what the coordinates of the intersection point are. Obviously, x is 2. If you plug 2 into either of these functions, you get y equals 8. And you, of course, better get the same thing because that's supposed to be the intersection point. So that's 0, 8. Okay, it's 2, 8. And the important thing then is that this line, what's the equation of this line here? Something that's so easy in pre-calculus that people never understand it because it's so easy to imitate short term, get it right on a test, and then forget it completely. That line is y equals 8. Okay? Now, if we don't understand that, it makes it a little more difficult to see what the integral ought to be. Okay? Because it's going to be the integral of the upper function minus the lower integral of the lower function, right? And if you don't have a function for the lower function, what are you going to do? Okay? Well, the upper function is 12 minus x squared. The lower function is y equals 8, right? So we're going to integrate, again, from 0 to 2. It's going to be 12 minus x squared. That's our upper function, minus 8. Okay? And of course that integral is very easily done. 12 minus 8 is 4, so it's going to be the integral of 4 minus x squared. So it's going to be 8 minus x cubed over 3, so it's going to be 8 minus 8 thirds, which is 16 thirds. Now I did that quickly in my head, so it's certainly going to be subject to potential error. I think it might be right. Okay? And then the other area, probably have to spill over into this space, but area below is the integral from 0 to 2 of the upper function, which is your y equals 8 function, minus the lower function, which is your 2x squared function. And this is, I'll bet you, 32 thirds. Because what are you going to get? You're going to get 8x, that's going to give you 16. And then minus 2 times x cubed over 3 is going to be minus 32 thirds. Now my afternoon brain isn't functioning quite right because it doesn't seem, let's see, x cubed over 3, negative 2 times 8 is negative 16 over 3. Never mind, it's right. So, okay, 16 minus 16 thirds is 2 thirds of 16, which is 32 thirds. And this add up to 48 thirds, which we need to find out is 16. Okay? So this is important because, just to foreshadow a little bit, the area up here in certain circumstances is called your consumer surplus. The area down here, your producer surplus. Okay? And if I might have said those backwards, but I think I said them right. And we'll reason out exactly what that means next. Okay?